Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Today we're making mackerel. Let me show you if I can here. Mackerel today. And we not gonna make it like a croquette or anything. He has a different way that he's gonna make the mackerel. So the first step is cutting the onions. Yeah, just get the onions all cut up. Yeah. And I forgot to tell you, welcome back to our channel. And thank you for watching. Yeah, just cut the onions up however big you like them. My husband's not a big onion eater, so he just cut it up like so. Just constantly cutting the onions. Did you use a whole onion or half an onion?
Half an onion.
Half an onion. Okay.
You use the amount you want.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get the pot skillet ready.
Okay. Pass the pot here, and we're just gonna add a little oil to the pot, to the pan. Okay, about so. I say that's about a tablespoon of oil. I say about a tablespoon and a half of oil. Cut your pot on. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the mackerel. So the first thing we'll do is pour that water off, whatever the mackerel is sitting in. Just pour all of the water off. And then the next thing you do, we're gonna clean the mackerel. We're gonna get all the silver skin off of the mackerel. And then we're gonna take all the bones out.
My wife doesn't like the bones, so.
And I don't like the silver skin either.
So we just clean it up all up. Make sure we get all bones out, like that. This is just a fast cooking.
Yeah, and it's a good cheap meal too, and it's very, very good.
This is a lot of protein fish.
Just take those bones out. Yeah, and just continue to clean it up and scrape the silver skin off. 1 can of this usually feed me and my husband. If you're gonna do 4 people, then you need, 2 cans. You can also use bell pepper and onion too, but I forgot to pick one up today, so we're just going with the onion and tomatoes. But I do usually put bell pepper in there. Okay.
Okay, guys.
All right. You getting ready to put that in? Okay. He's gonna put his onions in, vegetables, and let them start to cook. And he got the gun on 8. And you're just gonna cook these until they're nice and translucent, where you can see through them. The next thing we're going to do is rinse this mackerel off in the sink and dump the trash down the garbage disposal. And then you just rinse the mackerel off. Rinse it off like so. Okay, that's good and rinsed. And
Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna put some tomato in it.
okay, and this is just a can of tomatoes, a can of diced tomatoes. And he used about half of that can of tomatoes.
Put that one in. That's good enough. That's good.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put the mackerel in it.
Now it's time for the mackerel to go in.
Okay guys, now I'm gonna pour a little black pepper on it. You can also, if you like spicy, you can put pepper on it to your own pleasure. Just a little black pepper. Then I'm gonna put some garlic powder on it. Then a little
Salt-free seasoning.
then
Onion powder.
get me a little butter, please. Okay guys, I'm gonna put a little butter in it.
And this is about a tablespoon and a half of butter.
I'm gonna stir it over a little, guys. I'm gonna put a small pot cover on it so that it can steam for a few minutes.
Okay, you just cover it and you just set it for a minute and we'll be back.
Thanks.
Okay, we're gonna add a little ketchup in it. Let me turn that thing off. Sorry about that fan, I didn't realize it was so loud. Okay. And we're gonna cover it back up a few more minutes. We'll be back. All right. Okay, we're back. And here's the finished product. We're gonna plate it up and show you guys how it looks.
Guys, we're gonna eat it with white rice.
And we have a few sweet potatoes.
And I just want you to know, sometimes to take away the rawness from the mackerel, you just tip a little vinegar over it so that it steams with it.
That's enough. Just enough for me. That's good.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, guys.
All right. Here's the plate. Here's what it looks like. This is called mackerel and rice. Okay. Let me go over here and I'm gonna taste it. Okay.
Share.
You gonna say the grace?
Father, as we're about to eat, we just tell you thanks for this. Let it be nourishment for us. And Lord, we give you all the glory and honor to your Son, Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen.
Amen. Alrighty, here's the first bite for you. Okay. That's good. I've been trying to cut back on my eating, so this is a great meal for me. It's not too fattening.
And it's also a quick meal.
And it's cheap. You can cook this whole meal for about, say, $5. The can of mackerel is like $1. Get you some sweet potatoes and a little can of dollar tomatoes. And it's all good. This is just something different way to eat it. My husband is Jamaican, so when I met him, I was only using mackerel to make salmon croquettes. And that's the only way I knew how to make it. But he showed me this different way, and I hadn't went back since. It was like my favorite thing to eat. Alrighty.
Hope you enjoy it.
This is a great meal to try. So I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching. There's a lot more to come.
Alrighty, have a good day.